Good afternoon. My name is Alec Taylor. Welcome to another semester at Eastern Kentucky University, as well as what I'm going through as well. So I'm excited to get started and hop back into another semester. So yeah, this will be my third class that I'm taking through Eastern Kentucky University. I started off with an introduction class where I was with Jamie as well for my instructor. Then I took a statistical methods course as well last semester. That was quite fun. So, yeah, here I am for my third class, second semester, ready to get started. I am in the industrial organizational psychology program. Excited to continue that journey. I've loved it so far. Everything that I've learned, all my instructors, everybody just seems so knowledgeable. And this is an area of psychology that I remember only about 6 to 8% of psychologists follow through with or follow this path. So I'm excited to share it all with you, and continue to move forward in this decision and with this program. So I'm excited. So I currently work for H&R Block as a shared resources specialist. So for 6 months of the year, I help out with our human resources areas and our associates that work for H&R Block, and kind of the human resources areas they go through. And then for the other half of the year, I work with our clients, so the people that we actually help with their taxes and the like. I work with them and help settle disputes, or if a tax return or refund wasn't quite what they expected. So yeah, pretty fun, and that leads right into my career goals. I actually really enjoy H&R Block as a company. I have since I began working for them a year and a half ago. I can't wait to continue to work for them, and I think that this program is something that company could utilize quite a bit of. I hope to become a people's officer for H&R Block, or one of the chief people officers there as well. I'm in talks with a couple people on the talent acquisition team that have connections, and yeah, I'm just excited to use what I learned from this program to assist the associates and the clients for H&R Block as well, and help the organization as a whole reach the potential that they know that they can reach. So for my goals for the course, and strengths that I have to maintain that success, I have some pretty generic goals for the course, but they lead into some more detailed ones as well. Obviously, I just want to continue to learn more about this program, about the key individuals that helped, propel this program into light over the recent years. I'm excited to learn more about organizations, top-down management, how management and people within an organization can change it completely, either for the better or the worse, and how we can step in to assist organizations or businesses with these decisions and with their campaigns. I do think that I'm an extremely adaptable individual. Sorry about that. My webcam cut out there for a little bit, so there might be a lull or a delay in there. So sorry about that, but I'll go ahead and finish up here pretty quick. It's getting kind of long. So the strength that I think I have, I believe it cut off maybe where I was speaking on the fact that I believe I'm an adaptable individual. I do believe that. I also think that I'm extremely excited for the course, for the rest of the program in general. I think that's one of the greatest strengths you can have. Procrastination starts to not exist as much when you're just kind of excited to get into the content and into the meat of what you're learning. So say that my greatest strength is how excited I am to get back into it. During the whole break, I was really just kind of itching to hop back in and continue to learn something new. So I'm excited for all that. In terms of that, I think the only closing remark I'll have in terms of fun or anything that I've been doing recently, I'm a pretty big Kansas City Chiefs fan. Actually, I've lived most of my life in Kansas. So for all of you out there, I don't know if you've experienced heartbreak or not with the current NFL season, but I haven't quite yet this year. The Chiefs are doing extremely well. We have a big game coming up. Hopefully, we can make it back to the Super Bowl. I'm excited for all that. So, yeah, other than that, that's what I'm going to be doing probably for the next couple weeks, at least, hopefully, couple weeks, is just following along with those sports and grinding on the schoolwork. So, excited to meet all of you and begin our group projects and get started.